Okay, well, got a little bit more work done on my B9. Got really the last of the electronics for the front illumination. What I did differently for the push buttons is now they will illuminate when you push them, like the prop did for Dr. Smith and the Reluctant Stowaway. I know I originally stated in the first video for this thread that they were going to control phrases, but I thought it was a little bit more appropriate if I just had them turn on and off like it did or does on the real prop. Just got to make sure you get your fingernail just right. Big oafen fingers like mine have kind of a problem. So anyways, gonna just let this baby sit here all day and cook, make sure I don't have any premature failures, and I'll button it up, and then I'll move on to the circuitry for the power pack. Still trying to figure out how exactly I want that to control my my overall B9. So stay tuned, more videos to come. Bye.